Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. I've been trying a few products out from Pacifica from their Future Youth line, and one of the things that I was lucky enough to try is their new facial massage roller. This is a heavy duty tool, and when I mean heavy, I do mean hefty. One thing that's interesting about this is that it has two little rollers that are faceted, and so there is two different directions that you can roll this. It's important to follow the instructions on the back of the box, or else you're going to be rolling this in the wrong direction. What I did is I tried this along my jawline on each side. Also tried this on my forehead above my 11, which is really actually very small. Used it on my neck as well. My chief complaint with this is its weight. It's very heavy. It's also very slippery, and you need a good slip agent to get a good facial massage. So when I put on an oil, I still have some on my hands and I have a terrible time holding on to this. I think part of the problem is that the handle is too short. Also, again, I think that the tool itself is just too heavy. For my needs, I would much prefer to use a gua sha. I found that this was actually really pressing into my skin a lot more than I want to use, and that I was having a hard time making it work for me. It does feel really interesting on the neck when you're rolling upwards. It does seem to really pinch and pull the skin in together. So as far as treating the neck area, that's one thing that I did like about it. But as a whole, this is not something that I'm going to reach for, and it's really not something I would recommend. Also, you're not supposed to wash this with water. This is something you're supposed to wipe off with a damp towel. So it has a lot of little drawbacks in my eyes that make it much less attractive than a standard gua sha or a facial roller. But if you're interested in a tool that has two heads, you are in fact looking for something heavier and maybe have a much smaller hand and are able to maneuver this, you might want to check it out. Again, this is from Pacifica. This is their Future Youth facial massage roller, and if you check it out, let me know what you think.